this video, we'll talk a little bit about using the advanced search features in Academic Search Complete. This search feature is very similar in many other EBSCOhost databases, which you can recognize by seeing the EBSCOhost logo. Other databases that you might use for this class includes Business Source Complete. To access Academic Search Complete, you can find the link either on the library's homepage under Articles and Databases and select from the list there, or from your Management Databases page on your course guide, you can access it under General Resources. So once I'm in here under my Academic Search Complete, I can do a general keyword search like that and utilize the search bar. Or I can do an advanced search. And in this case, what that will do is look for multiple words all together. So it's trying to find, when I do this search, insurance industry. It'll try to find those words close together. Let's say I want to find in the insurance industry and I want to know about trends. Okay, and you can see again, it's giving me some other options as well, but I want to only return articles that talk about the insurance industry and trends. So then I'll click the search box here, and I've left it to where it says select a field. I've left it very basic to a general search term. Now, one thing that's really important to note when I look at the various results that I have here, nowhere is industry mentioned, right? I see insurance companies, insurance agencies, risk insurance, all kinds of things like that, but nothing about insurance industry. And that's really important. When you're doing your searching, you have to think about not only what you're thinking as what your industry is called, but you need to think a little bit more about the way somebody might look up your topic, the way somebody else might have cataloged it. So instead, I'm going to just do insurance and trends, and it's going to return many more results, right? There were 159 before, and now there's 6,742. Again, I'll switch on over to my peer-reviewed tab to locate those items. And then from there, I can start to see, all right, what type of insurance might I be interested in? Am I interested in learning more about insurance companies specifically? Do I want to know about health and medical insurance? Do I want to know about retirement insurance? Do I want to know about insurance in different countries? All of these items would allow me to modify my search and either limit it or expand it. So maybe I want to know about medical insurance or health insurance. So this or unlike the and, is going to give me anything that says medical insurance or anything that says health insurance, as well as trends. And again, trends may not be even the best search term. I'm just using it as an example because I'm not really seeing trends appear in any of my subjects as well. So maybe I want to think about what I might look up in terms of that as well. But this is just an example for us. So again, I've narrowed it down a little bit because I've been more specific in the type of insurance I'm looking for, not just insurance, but medical or health insurance. And you can see here examples include health insurance, medical care costs. So maybe instead of trends, I want to know about costs, how much it costs. And here again, I can see some suggestions that it's got me, costs or cost, and that's important to know whether or not something should be plural or singular. So I'm going to use this suggested option here and click search. Now I've done a lot of work, but now I've really expanded my search because it's looking, right now I have 23,000 results because I have included so many ors, and cost is so very broad, right? And so it will be looking for that in the title, in the abstract of the article, and in the subjects. And so there are a lot of different places, right? Burden is coming up multiple times. So that probably wasn't the best search, but I wanted to show you how that or really makes a difference in expanding your search. And while I'm looking at this, I'm going to indicate that you can grab your citation if you want it. You should also get your permalink if you want to save it. You can also email the article to yourself. So those are important ways to access those resources. If you have any troubles while you're trying to refine your searches, please don't hesitate to reach out to library@hiram.com.